Always trust a guy with a knife and a mask and some cooking skills. Huh? What is this one?
Uh-oh, ghost pepper. He's not talking today, so.
Yeah.
Do you know the story about 3 beans?
Oh, dude, careful. Whoa!
On the bowl!
Jeez.
A little bit spicy.
I call me
Oh.
No!
What is this one?
Uh-oh, ghost pepper.
That's spicy?
Ghost pepper. Yes.
Yes.
I don't know, he's got a pumpkin over there and he's not talking today, so.
We're gonna cook some pumpkin hot sauce. We don't want no flavor that will overpower the pumpkin. We want the pumpkin to shine through, all right? So we want to taste the pumpkin and we want to taste the
Pepper.
ghost pepper. Yeah. Ooh, look at that.
I'm a little concerned. We'll see, I don't know, he said he has a plan.
I wanted to see if less equals more power the pumpkin. I want to taste the pumpkin with spice.
I mean, pumpkin is a twist though. If that comes out good, that will be the first. Okay, pumpkin hot sauce.
And I'm actually a little bit concerned about it because there is not much on the table, but he said everything will be all right, guys. I know what I'm doing. Today is my episode, and just give me some freedom.
Always trust a guy with a knife and a mask and some cooking skills.
Do you know the story about 3 beans?
3 beans.
See? Pew.
There's a little bit of butter.
It looks like he's cooking a meal.
Yeah, you got it.
Uh-oh. Oh, dude, careful. Whoa!
On the bowl!
Jeez.
Spice razor.
I'll try to avoid the seeds and the mouth. Oh, that's nice. Nothing wrong. Bad batch. Okay, I'll try this one. We'll see how it affects me. We'll see how spicy it is.
I'm just gonna, yeah, it's Thai chili.
A little bit spicy, but not really.
Damn, what's wrong with you, man?
Start feeling it. Ooh.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I feel like my face start getting red.
We are waiting for the pumpkin to mush up. Vinegar and some salt, maybe a pinch. So what I'm gonna do basically, guys, is spread it out. I want the bottom part to be burnt because I like that burnt part.
We decided to add one more.
This sauce is not spicy enough, so we're gonna add a little bit more spice, make it a little bit more thick. All right.
You've gotta try a piece of the pepper before you throw it. So you've gotta choose the little piece and chew it before. And the same you, Roma. Go, go, go.
I'll call me.
Try it.
Try
to
it.
see.
I'll
Go
call
ahead.
me.
No.
Yes.
No.
Oh, no gas. I smell propane.
Doesn't look like a sauce. Looks like a mashed potatoes.
It's like gravy.
Yeah, our famous chicken wings. What are you doing now?
I intended to use mint, but we got a bunch kind of basil, so
Still not sure if it's a hot sauce, but we'll try. Just trying something new, right?
not spicy though.
It's not?
Not spicy enough. Maybe we must put more spice.
Let's put more peppers in there.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. So we decided to add another chili, Thai chili, because the pumpkin sweetness
Yeah.
was overpowering the spice.
Too mild, so we're gonna make it a little bit more spicy.
Yeah.
That pumpkin's really subtle right now. We need some tang. We need a kick. Not only a spice kick, but a lemon kick.
You're not eating chicken today.
So it's gonna be a sauce?
It's not ready. Daddy's saying it's ready, it's not. There's blood everywhere, okay? Chicken sashimi. We do not eat that. Finally. Well.
Voila!
Mashed potatoes?
Mash.
What is that?
Pumpkin smashing.
Ah.
Usually you discipline, bro.
Get down. Get down. So, today Casey was supposed to cook, make hot sauce, and instead we got this. Looks like mashed potatoes with peppers. Maybe it's good, I don't know. But the chicken is, as always, perfect. I mean, you're the best when it comes to chicken wings, so I just want to dig into this
I
right now.
appreciate, brother, for
Yeah.
giving me credit for the chicken.
Yeah.
So, you know, Halloween just passed, and we got a leftover pumpkin. So I was like, my turn to do the hot sauce. So, pumpkin hot sauce. So it's gonna be pumpkin spice hot sauce with a hint of basil.
Yeah, I like basil.
I think my self challenge, I wanted to do to see if less is more. I didn't want to add too much ingredients to see if less ingredients has more impact of the flavor. Because you don't want to overpower that pumpkin. You know, you still want to have that pumpkin flavor in there. So
Then this
that's hot
chicken.
to it.
Yeah, I just wanted to try chicken by itself with no anything. It's absolutely delicious. Again,
Thank you, thank you.
very good.
I appreciate.
Yeah. We're here to judge you on your creation here.
Yeah, we can't find all the parts for the blender. My wife must have did something or hide it from us. So, you know, it turned out to be gravy, which is okay, you know, because I don't care. It sticks to the chicken more, you know. But I think the flavor is what matters.
You know, it smells like a hot sauce.
Yeah, I hope
It
so.
does. So,
Yeah, we added like two or three extra chili in there beside the ghost pepper.
yeah, look at this, guys.
So
It's very thick, kind of like almost like a mashed potato.
thick,
But
not runny.
yeah,
right?
so but you know. Hey, there we go. I don't know, man. I can't even. Okay, here you go.
I mean, to me, if it looks like gravy, which is fine. Thanksgiving's down the line, so I'm okay with gravy. Before you say anything, just remember this is Thanksgiving theme. Just imagine if you have a Thanksgiving or a Halloween party, you have something like this. This is not something, a sauce I would have on the regular every day. It's just a seasonal sauce.
I already have some to say. Hold on.
Oh boy. Let it out, let it out, brother.
Okay, so the flavor is actually pretty good, but it's not It's not like spicy enough. You know,
I agree.
because you know pumpkin is sweet, right? And you put a lot in there. Might need more peppers. It's like it's got a little kick, but it's like it just doesn't feel like a hot sauce to me.
I agree.
The flavor is good though. Like you know, it's got slight. Like if I would rate it from 0 to 10, dude, this would be 0.5. Yeah, it's not spicy, but the flavor is not bad. But it doesn't taste like a hot
Just
sauce.
put a
But
dart through my heart.
no, but it's actually very very interesting kind of addition to a chicken. You know, never tried anything like this
It
before.
was a good challenge for me because I rarely cook with pumpkin, you know, and trying to turn it into a hot sauce. Tricky.
Yeah, maybe if you put twice less pumpkin, it might have turned out like a spicy sauce. But since you put so much pumpkin, but I can't complain.
More
flavor,
chili, more chili.
more chili, yeah. But the flavor is like I tried it by itself.
Have some more chicken.
I did add a lot of
I have some more.
vinegar and lemon juice on it.
No, it's dude. Honestly, I can like eat this as a side dish.
Yeah.
Really good.
Might
like
go,
it's tasty.
might go good on
man.
bread or something. I don't know.
Yeah, it's tasty, but not like a hot sauce tasty, you know. But it's kind of good flavor. I mean, you took a risk at this, you know. I don't think anybody tried anything like this, so I give you props for that. It's a good. The flavors
appreciate
are good, just not the hot sauce flavor kind of deal. The chicken is delicious, though, as always.
Yeah, I
can't-
definitely make it more spicier next time.
Yeah, maybe more also like more running like liquidy, you know.
Yeah, definitely would taste, I think, a lot better with the blender.
Yeah, very creative.
And your turn next time, right?
Yeah, my turn.
All
next
right.
time.
Can't wait to see what you got next, man.
All right, guys. Well, we're gonna finish our chicken here, and we'll see you at the next one. And check out our other videos. Just try something new. You know, that's why we're here. Yeah, we're gonna create something really strange, different next time as well. So we'll see you at the next one.
Yeah.